PowerPoint.
Okay. Now what are you doing? Explain what you're doing.
I'm playing Blockbird.
Oh, okay.
Like that. Huh. Yeah. Take that. Okay, that one. Okay.
You're playing Angry Birds?
Blockbird.
Oh, Blockbirds.
No. I missed that. Hold up. Get that. Oh no. Ken, I have to knock that one over. Oh yes.